Because national place is important. It reminds our responsibility towards our country. So all students be ready for national place. Now I would like to call Saloni for national place. Please come forward.
Be ready for the national place. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of it. Recent, right-handed. I shall always strive. I shall give respect to my parents, teachers, and all elders. And treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I place my devotion. In their prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
After national place, all the teachers are standing before you to explain and guide your particular subject on your particular subject. So I would like to call Sweb sir. Please come forward and guide the student on your particular subject.
Good morning, students. Today I want to talk about something close to my heart. Something close to my heart. The citizens making responsible by the teachers. In social science, we learn about history, geography, civics, and economics. But beyond this, fact and dates, it is much more. When we discuss about geography, we'll understand the value of citizen and justice. When we learn about democracy, when we learn about constitution, then we teach the students the value of their duties and rights. So when I try to consult the students with the constitution.
Wonderful speech regarding our constitution, because constitution is very important for us. Because constitution gives the rights to equality and freedom and rights to live in any country of our country. So this is a very important point to speak by the Sweb sir about the constitution. Our next teacher is the English language teacher. Naina, please come forward and give the importance of English in our society and what is the importance in another country of English subject. Please come forward and give a guide your student on the subject.
Good morning, everyone. As you know, I am your language teacher. So today I am going to explain why English is important in our country and in our society and in other countries also. So we all know that English is important because it makes us good in communication, to communicate with people from another country, to communicate with people from another states also, because other states have different languages, not like our state. We have Hindi and Bhojpuri because we are in Bihar, but in another states like Kerala, Telugu, Tamil and another states don't have their own languages. So English helps us to communicate with them because English is the second language that is commonly used in every state and in every country. That is why English is important in our country and in other country also. That's all. Thank you.
Beautiful speech given by the Naina, because English is very important for us. in education, in every field of life. If any sector, in any point of sector, you will learn English to better way to understand your language. So this is a very important language of English. Now our next teacher is Hindi teacher Pratima. Please come and guide the student about your subject.
सुप्रभात बच्चों, मैं आपकी विषय हिंदी की शिक्षिका। आज का तारीख जो है एक महत्वपूर्ण तारीख है। क्यों है आप सबको पता है? आज हिंदी दिवस है। कौन सी तारीख है आज? तारीख डेट। आज 13 है, कल है 14। और ये हिंदी दिवस 14 सितंबर को मनाते हैं क्योंकि हमारा विद्यालय रविवार के दिन बंद रहता है और इसके विषय में हम कल कुछ नहीं कह सकते हैं, इसलिए हम आज हिंदी दिवस के बारे में बात करेंगे। ठीक है? 14 सितंबर को हिंदी दिवस मनाई जाती है ना? तो क्योंकि कल हमारा विद्यालय बंद रहेगा, इसलिए आज मैं हिंदी दिवस के बारे में आपसे कुछ बातें करूंगी। हिंदी हमारी भाषा है और हमारे देश में सबसे अधिक बोले जाने वाली भाषा है। हमारे देश में अनेकों भाषाएं बोली जाती हैं, लेकिन हिंदी जो है वो सबसे ज्यादा बोली जाती है। 14 सितंबर का जो तारीख है वो संविधान ने हिंदी दिवस को उस दिन मंजूरी दी थी। हिंदी को राष्ट्रीय भाषा के रूप में मंजूरी मिली थी 14 सितंबर को, इसलिए 14 सितंबर को हम हिंदी दिवस के रूप में मनाते हैं। धन्यवाद।
Now our next teacher is Arpana ma'am, because tomorrow is Hindi Diwas. So continue to the next Hindi teacher of Arpana ma'am. Please come and say something about the Hindi Diwas.
सुप्रभात बच्चों, आज दिनांक 13 सितंबर 2025 है और दिन शनिवार है। जैसा कि मैम ने बताया आप लोगों को कि हिंदी दिवस 14 सितंबर को मनाया जाता है, तो हम लोग 14 सितंबर को हमारा स्कूल बंद रहता है, तो आज हम लोग हिंदी दिवस के बारे में बता रहे हैं। हिंदी दिवस 14 सितंबर 1949 को संविधान के द्वारा घोषित किया गया था कि इस दिन से हिंदी दिवस मनाया जाएगा। हिंदी जो है सिर्फ एक विषय नहीं है, हिंदी भाषा है और हमारी पहचान है। और ये हमारी पहचान है, तो इस पहचान को हमें हमेशा आगे भी बनाए रखना है। इसलिए हमें हिंदी अच्छे से बोलने आनी चाहिए, पढ़ने आनी चाहिए और लिखने भी आनी चाहिए। हिंदी समझना बहुत जरूरी है। धन्यवाद।
Next our Hindi teacher is Saroj ma'am. Please come forward and say something about the Hindi Diwas. सुप्रभात बच्चों, अभी आपकी शिक्षिका हिंदी दिवस के बारे में आप लोग को बताई। आप लोग जानते हैं ना 14 सितंबर को हिंदी दिवस मनाई जाती है। सब संडे को 14 सितंबर है, स्कूल बंद है उस दिन, और आज 13 सितंबर है। तो 13 सितंबर स्कूल खुला हुआ है आपका, इसलिए 14 सितंबर को हिंदी दिवस मनाई जाती है। इसलिए हिंदी के बारे में आपकी शिक्षिका लोगों ने बताया। अभी आपका दशहरा पूजा आने वाला है, पता है ना आप लोग को? दशहरा पूजा में दशहरा क्यों मनाई जाती है, इसके बारे में आप लोग को मैं बताऊंगी। राम और रावण में युद्ध चल रहा था। युद्ध बहुत घना-घोर था। राम रावण को मारने के लिए युद्ध में पहुंचे हुए थे। उन्होंने रावण को मतलब युद्ध में मारा। अभी उनकी मृत्यु नहीं हुई थी। उन्होंने अपने भाई लक्ष्मण से कहा कि तुम जाओ, रावण बहुत विद्वान है, तुम उनसे शिक्षा ग्रहण करके आओ। लक्ष्मण जी गए, उनके पास सर के पास खड़े हुए। सर के पास खड़े हुए लक्ष्मण जी को रावण ने देखा और उनको देख के आंखें बंद कर लिया। बंद करने पर लक्ष्मण जी सोचे भैया बोले हैं बहुत बड़ा विद्वान है, मैं इनके पास शिक्षा ग्रहण करने आया हूँ, इन्होंने मुझे शिक्षा नहीं दिया और आंखें बंद कर लिए। फिर राम जी के पास गए और बोले भैया आप तो बोले हैं कि रावण बहुत बड़ा विद्वान है, तुम जाओ उनसे शिक्षा ग्रहण कर लो। राम जी पूछे आप वहाँ गए तो कहाँ खड़ा थे? तो लक्ष्मण जी बताए मैं उनके सर के पास खड़ा था। तो बोले कि शिक्षा ग्रहण करना है तो सर के पास खड़ा नहीं हुआ जाता है, पैर के पास खड़ा हुआ जाता है। फिर लक्ष्मण जी गए और उनके पैर के पास खड़ा हुए। ही कम सुन वेरी टाइट, मृत्यु उनके एकदम करीब था। रावण ने उनको देखा और उनको 3 शिक्षा दी। भाई से भेद नहीं छिपाना चाहिए, दीदी को भेद नहीं बताना चाहिए, और जब शिक्षा ग्रहण करना हो तो सर के पास नहीं पैर के पास खड़ा होना चाहिए। इन्हीं शब्दों के साथ मैं अपनी कहानी को विराम देती हूँ। धन्यवाद। आज का शुभ विचार मैं लेके आई हूँ, जो लोग खुद को बदलने की ताकत रखते हैं वो सारी दुनिया को बदल सकते हैं। धन्यवाद। Now move to the next speaker. Now I would like to call Nancy. Please come forward and guide the student about your subject.
Good morning, everyone. So, I would like to tell something about democracy. Democracy is a part of is a system of government. In a democratic system, people have power to decide and take decisions, which and they elect their desired representatives by voting, and also give vote for their laws. In final decision, they have the opinion of majority. Democratic government is accountable for public. What democracy is a Greek word, it comes from Greek. So the word demo and critics is mixed, which means it's power of citizens. That's all. Thank you.
Now, next teacher is Kalyani. Please come forward and guide the student of your subject.
Good morning, everyone. Pandit here. Third of the day. The seeds of success is planted. The seeds of success is planted are soil of water. सफलता एक बीज का हिस्सा होता है. That's all. Thank you.
Next teacher is computer. Today, modern computer is very important. So this is tell about the Saloni. Please come forward and tell what is the importance of the computer on the modern age.
Good morning, my all dear students. As you know, you all comes to school for being educated. School is an educational place where we get knowledge and being a confident person. When education is the tool which gives us knowledge and makes us full confident and makes us for our future job ready. Education makes us to differentiate between our right and wrong things and makes us to be a responsible person. When we are educated, an educated person also contributes more in the society to the growth of our nation. That's all. Thank you.
Next one is the English teacher of senior section. Sonini, please come forward and say something and guide the student of English subject.
Good morning, students. As you all know that I am your English subject teacher, and you all know that how important is English for us. It is very important to learn English because it helps us to in school. It helps us to how to speak and how to confident in yourself. So it is very important. We know English. We understand computer, science, math subjects and other topics better. It's get a good marks in your examination, and it's also important, and it's help us to you speak to people from other countries. Everyone should try to speak and practice English every day. At the end of myself, I would like to share a thought, because one positive thought in the morning can change your whole day. The thought is success. Success every challenges not from the comfort zone. Success is not every challenges from the comfort zone. That's all. Thank you. Now I would like to call Archana. Archana, miss, please come and explain your topic.
Good morning, everyone. What is date today? What is date today? What is date today? How are you today? Okay. My name is Archana Mishra. I am English subject teacher. Let's talk about English language benefit. It is very important language, English language. The English language is an important part of our modern world. Connecting people from. It is very important part of our modern world. We all know that English is an international language. English is global language. English is funny language. The father of English, Geoffrey Chaucer. English is very important word. English language. That's all. Thank you.
Now our next speaker is Sima Miss. Please, I would like to request Sima Miss, please come forward and say about your subject.
Good morning, everyone. Today I am going to. Good morning, everyone. Today here to explain you something about discipline. It's very important everywhere. It's very important, everyone. That's something.
Now time for mine. As we all already know that I am the math teacher. So math is as we all know that I am the math teacher. So I am say something about regarding your math. Math is a most beautiful and most powerful creation in our human spirit, because it makes to think about analyze the information and thinking critical situation to solve. Because maths teach us to how to break complex things into the simpler parts of to solve in simple ways. Because math gives our hope to give a knowledge in proper way to solve. Because math able to solve complex question into simpler one and make our life easy, just like our life. In many situations, our life is face many difficulties and many problems. But math gives a hope to solve in many ways, in simple ways, to solve in simpler form. Because math gives us very important thinking about the knowledge, because it gives us many difficult situations to solve our problem in simple way. It is a very important and its own dignity and pride on the math. Because suppose that if you want to make such things in our kitchen, then there is a very important ratio to make material to take material in the proper ratio. Because if you not want not to take in proper ratio, then your material and your dishes make the very bad. If you take in right proportion, then make our dishes good. Then this is the very important in every field, in every sector, in your home, in your market, in your another state in every subject, in every life. So this is the very important subject to learn, because math is not a remember subject, it is a practice. Because if we practice more, then we will get better in our life and success in our life in the better ways. Because math is a very important subject to learn and not remember. If you are not able to understand, then try to understand and solve in many ways to complex question in simpler one. Because it is important to know how to solve in difficult situation in our life, because it gives hope to solving our life problem. That's all. Thank you.